The provincial licensing exam consists of questions on each of the HLLQP's sub-competencies. This case study is based on the HLLQP sub-competency 3.3, confirm the requirements that must be met to implement the recommendation. This case study references section 7.2.3.2, confirmation of income. When applying for disability income replacement insurance, what information will the insurance company most likely deem to be essential? A. Confirmation of good health. B. Confirmation of employment. C. Confirmation of income. Or D. Confirmation of marital status. To help figure out what the right answer is for this question, here's a fantastic success tip. In the provincial licensing exam, you'll be given a tablet with this manual loaded on it, and you'll be able to search it during the exam. It is, in other words, an open book exam. However, you won't be given the relevant section of the manual. You'll have to find it. By practicing this now, you'll prepare yourself to use the search function in the exam. Of course, you don't have to use the manual in the provincial licensing exam. But if you're unsure of the answer, it's best to know how to find it quickly. Take a moment to search for the key phrase of this question. For example, if this was the provincial licensing exam, you could search disability replacement insurance. Now this will return many results. If you search confirmation of good health, confirmation of employment, confirmation of marital status, there are no results. Confirmation of income results in section 7.2.3.2, in which disability income replacement is discussed. As you can see, it's important to identify the key concept in the question to search for the most helpful key phrase. You could then refer to this section to find the answer. Once you've completed your search, choose the answer that you feel is correct and then resume this case study. Welcome back. The correct answer is C, confirmation of income. Rationale. As per section 7.2.3.2, confirmation of income, particularly in the case of an application for disability income replacement insurance, proof of the applicant's income and identification of the source or sources of income is essential to the underwriting process. The amount of disability coverage that an insurance company will issue is, in part at least, based on the amount of pre-disability income that the applicant has. Typically, coverage cannot exceed 60 to 70% of pre-disability income, but some policies extend this range as high as 85%. But, of course, the insurance company will not simply take the applicant's word regarding his income sources. Independent verification is required. And that brings us to the end of our case study. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a hard copy of this case study, you can download the transcript from within your course. In addition, make sure you review our exam writing tips. They're especially valuable if you haven't taken an exam in a few years. On behalf of myself, Joe White, and the REMIC team, we wish you all the best in the licensing exam and in your new career.